Hello everyone, let me share with you an experience when I started off learning time series analysis for the first time. I opened a popular dataset called Sales of Shampoo, where the dataset is provided over the span of 3 years. So I opened the dataset, it looked like this. Without thinking anything, I thought okay, let me straight up visualize this. And let me use inbuilt Excel features to create a forecast. What I did was I simply selected the data and have this option forecast sheet, which automatically generates the forecast for future time periods. I clicked on this and oops, I got an issue. It says a forecast can't be created because the timeline isn't evenly spaced. Watch the words evenly spaced. The dates or numbers in a valid timeline must have a consistent gap between consecutive points. And this is one of the fundamental first set of rules of working with time series data. The data points in a time series data should be evenly spaced. Now let's look at why it is complaining like this. When we look at this, the data was supposed to be of year 2001 January, year 2001 February, till say year 2001 December, then year 2002 January, year 2002 February. But you see how Excel is interpreting this data. If you click on this one, it is interpreting as 1st January 2024, 1st February 2024, 1st March, everything is fine till 1st December 2024. Immediately after this, it is interpreting it as 2nd January 2024. So you see, this is where the gap which should have been consistent is getting broken. So what if I go ahead and just sort this from oldest to newest? Now if I do that, then let's see. It comes as 1st Jan, 2nd, 3rd Jan. Then it comes as 1st Feb, 2nd Feb, 3rd Feb. This comes as 1st March, 2nd March, 3rd March. Again inconsistent. So see, what I had to do was first to understand the data. And that goes fundamentally for any kind of data analysis. Simply opening up the data set and without thinking, without looking at the data, without understanding the data, trying to use the tools does not result in anything useful. So the interpretation of this would be that I need to make Excel understand that this is 2001 January, 2001 February, till this one 2001 December, then 2002 January, 2002 February. Only when Excel is able to interpret like that, it will be able to perform time series analysis. So what did we learn from this experience? What we learned is one of the fundamental rules of time series analysis, that the data points which you get should be evenly spaced. Whether it is data is captured every minute or every hour or every month or every year, the data needs to be evenly spaced out on the horizon of time. I hope that helps. Thank you.